Hello friends, if you're brushing your teeth with any of these toothpaste, then you're inviting oral problems. Well, brushing teeth is an essential part of maintaining good oral hygiene and overall health. And toothpaste plays an important role in maintaining good overall hygiene and keeping your teeth clean and healthy. But you may think at times, when I brush every day, then why do I have oral problems? Well, if you're using any of these toothpaste, then you're damaging your oral health, as these popular and highly marketed toothpaste contains harsh chemicals like SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate, fluoride, triclosan, synthetic flavors, artificial sweeteners, peroxide, and many more. And you might see problems like dental fluorosis, gum recession, mouth ulcers, gum disease, and bad breath. And one may also experience tooth decay and a rash or swelling around the mouth. Well, these were just a few harsh chemicals which I mentioned, and here is the complete list of harmful chemicals which you can find in 9 out of 10 toothpaste present in the Indian market. I know it's hard to digest that all these toothpaste which we have been using since childhood contain so many harmful chemicals. But now that you know that which chemicals to avoid while buying a toothpaste, here is my list of top 5 natural toothpaste which contain no harmful chemicals and are way better than the highly marketed and so popular toothpaste which we generally use in the Indian household. On number 5, we have Bentodent. Bentodent toothpaste offers a natural and refreshing approach to oral care with its foam-free mint and cardamom flavor. It is free from all harmful chemicals like paraben, sulfate, and artificial sweeteners. Instead, it harnesses the power of nature with ingredients like bentonite clay, neem extract, and xylitol. Bentodent also comes in other variants like charcoal and bitter leaf for sensitive teeth and are all uncompromising. So better throw that toxic Sensodyne away and switch to natural. On number 4, we have Biotech Micro Clove Action Toothpaste. It contains ingredients such as clove oil, peppermint oil, and fennel oil, which are known for its antibacterial and antiseptic properties. The fennel oil in the toothpaste helps to whiten teeth, leaving you with a brighter smile. The toothpaste contains no harmful chemicals like fluoride, artificial sweeteners, or preservatives, making it safe for your daily use. And comparing it with Himalaya's namesake, which look promising from the front label but turn it and it's a complete disaster. Apart from SLS, it has fluoride and synthetic flavor in it. And even price-wise, Biotech has kept it very competitive with 140 grams of it for just ₹90. On number 3, we have Jagat Activated Charcoal Toothpaste. Today, Indian market is full of activated charcoal toothpaste. Is it because activated charcoal not just fight bad breath but also is an age-old remedy for teeth whitening? But if you're brushing your teeth with Colgate activated charcoal thinking it will give you the benefits of charcoal, then I'm sorry to break your bubble. The main ingredient of this toothpaste is activated charcoal, but other than that, it also contains clove, neem, and peppermint oil and has no harmful chemicals like paraben, sulfate, or artificial flavors, which makes it a perfect and safe choice for people with sensitive gums and teeth. And even price-wise, this toothpaste is sweet. For 100 grams of it for just ₹70, this toothpaste deserves to get popular and not this crap. On number 2, we have Biomed Super White Toothpaste. Well, cut the gimmicks out and gift your teeth a toothpaste which is made with 100% natural ingredients like coconut, cinnamon, stevia, and bitter leaf, which promotes whiter teeth and stronger gums. This toothpaste might sound pricey, but since it doesn't contain sulfate, fluoride, artificial flavors, and sweeteners, it's worth the price. It comes in 6 variants, but only 3 of it, Calcimax, Super White, and Charcoal, are 100% natural. So guys, on number 1, we have Maharishi Ayurveda Iodent, a classical Ayurvedic herbal toothpaste which is made with 100% natural ingredients including 20 precious oils and herbs, which are well known for teeth whitening and gum strengthening. And unlike Dant Kanti, which is fluoridated, Iodent worth the tag Ayurvedic. A Cosmos Natural certified product, Iodent is priced at ₹110 for 75 ml. So guys, this was my list of top 5 natural toothpaste. But instead of using toothpaste, one can also go for a tooth powder like Darshan Sanskar, which is a perfect choice as it is made with 10 chosen herbs. And when you massage your gums, with natural tooth powder, not just your oral health but your digestive system also improves. So guys, this was my list of top 5 toothpaste without harmful chemicals. I want to confirm that whatever I have spoken in this video is my honest opinion. No brand has sponsored me, neither I'm against or with any brand. Well, I have linked all the toothpaste in the description box. You can buy them according to your budget and liking. And if you found this video to be helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Well, thank you for watching the video.